Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Canva and selecting the canvas size that fits your stickers. This sets resolution and print safety. Once chosen, upload your sticker art. Transparent PNGs are ideal because they remove background automatically. You should organize images into an Uploads folder so you can access them quickly. Use grids and rulers to keep spacing even. This prevents tiny crops later. Make sure to enable transparent background export early if you plan to download stickers as standalone assets. Now you design and place each sticker. Drag your upload onto the canvas and scale using corner handles. Hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio so images don't distort. If you need cut lines, add a subtle outline using effects or duplicate the layer and expand it slightly. Group compound stickers so elements move together, and use the distribute and align tools to space multiple stickers evenly. Once positioned, duplicate rows to build a sheet. This saves time when exporting many stickers. To finish, export properly. Choose PNG with transparent background for single stickers or PDF print for sticker sheets and set quality to high. Once done, double-check by zooming in on exported files. If edges look clipped, add padding or a 3 to 5 mm bleed and re-export. If prints come out low-res, make sure the artwork is 300 dpi and that your printer supports the selected bleed settings. If colors shift, export a PDF and request a proof from the printer before full print run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.